Yeah, yeah, uh, here we go. It's me and my baby girl, GiGi. We coming to you live, straight from the VIP. Yo, what's up, girl? Yo, what's up, girl? I love my little one, she's everything to me. We growing and thriving and living life just like we supposed to be. Join us on our journey, learn with us, grow with us, vibe with us, sit back and enjoy the show with us. No matter what, I'll always have your back, girl, through thick and thin. You'll always be my baby girl. I love you, baby. I love you past the end of time. I love you, girl, because you are all mine. Hi guys, good morning, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Vanita and GiGi. Say hey, mama. Can you say hi? Wait. No, not this morning. Okay. Well, today we're going to show you guys how to make our famous banana protein smoothies. They're healthy for adults. They are okay for children over the age of 1. We do add protein into the smoothies, so tune in, guys. Here we go. We've got our milk, we've got our whipped toppings, we've got our banana, we've got some ground cinnamon, we've got some turmeric. You need your protein of your choice, and we've got a blender. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So first things first, leave the light on, baby. Ice. Put ice in your blender. Baby, don't play with the light the whole time, okay? They need to see. Next, you're gonna add your banana. Next, I like to add my milk. It really doesn't matter what order you do it in. After the milk, I like to put in my protein. Follow the instructions on your protein container. I usually, this is a GNC protein. It usually calls for 4 scoops. Since I'm giving this to my baby, I do not want to overdo that. So that's it for the protein. Thank you, baby. You want to hold it? Okay, get it out. All right. Okay. So once we use ingredients, I'm going to move it out the way. Next, I like to add my topping, which of course is sugar-free. It's the light version. I use a spoon, or they have the Reddi whip kind that you can use. I usually put 2. 2 scoops is 20 calories. 2 tablespoons. You want some of this? Oh, yummy. I like to do a dash of cinnamon. That helps with the flavor. And some turmeric. Turmeric is healthy for you. Oh, that was a little bit too much. I don't know what happened to my top. The top came off of there with the holes in it. Oh, baby, that's not going to taste as good as the other one. Put your top on. Exactly. Look at that face. You ate the turmeric, baby, off the top. You got to wait until it's mixed in. All right. Put it in the blender. And I would say blend for about 30 seconds. You want to press it? Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for tuning in to Mommy and Me protein banana smoothie session. Peace. We'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys drop a comment below. Make sure you guys subscribe. And tell us how it tastes when you try the recipe.